Hello, my name is Kevin Olson from Industry Standard Research. You can visit us online at isrreports.com. Also, please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is a short video to introduce you to an important new report from Industry Standard Research, the 7th edition of the CRO Quality Benchmarking Report for Phase 2-3 services. There are two primary types of organizations that would get the most value from this report: clinical trial sponsor companies and the CROs that assist them in their clinical trials. To quickly orient you to the primary purpose of this report, consider the purpose Consumer Reports serves for buyers and sellers of automobiles. Car buyers use the product to make more informed purchases, and car manufacturers use it to evaluate themselves against competition, brag about successes, and address shortcomings. If buyers and sellers of $25,000 cars rely on product quality data, so too should buyers and sellers of $25 million clinical trials. Here's how our CRO quality benchmarking studies work. Every year, ISR surveys hundreds of buyers of CRO services within pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies. These tend to be individuals with titles like project manager, medical director, outsourcing director, therapeutic area head, and so on. In the study, ISR asks respondents to rate CROs across 26 different dimensions of quality that our research in the industry has shown to be important over the years. These dimensions include project manager quality, minimizing change orders, upfront contingency planning, timely project communications, timelines management, and a lot more. All CROs receive ratings across all these dimensions, but only from current or recent users of their services, because this study isn't about perceptions, it's about experiences. Data are compiled, analyzed, grouped, and ultimately presented in multiple ways, including these Harvey ball tables. Here's one example where ISR has collapsed the 9 different quality dimensions that relate to delivery factors. We've removed the CRO brand names for the purpose of this video, of course, but all names are visible in the report. You can see clearly that some CROs receive better marks for these attributes than other CROs. This is the table for delivery factors. We've grouped the other attributes into budget factors, staff characteristics, organizational factors, and timelines management. Let's talk about some things we found. Overall, there's a mixture of large CROs, mid-sized CROs, and specialty CROs that received high marks on different measures. One thing you'll learn is that Chiltern receives the highest customer loyalty scores in the industry. In fact, 4 of the 8 CROs that have customer loyalty scores above the industry average are mid-size and specialty CROs. Here's something else we found. Only about 60% of service buyers believes their outsourcing practices are sophisticated enough. We believe this report will help. The quality ratings represent the major focus of the report, but there is additional content as well. Every year, ISR tracks the attributes that sponsors value when selecting their CRO partners for clinical research. These attributes include therapeutic expertise, low cost, project manager quality, global reach, and a host of others. At the top of the list this year are operational excellence, therapeutic expertise, and depending whether or not the buyer is selecting from a preferred provider list, sometimes low cost. The study finds that about 2/3 of the industry operates from preferred provider lists, and as I just hinted, the provider attributes valued among buyers using a preferred provider list are meaningfully different than those valued in a non-preferred provider scenario. These data will allow service providers to pitch their services in the most targeted way possible, maximizing strike rates and hit rates. Whether you're a CRO or a buyer of CRO services, this is a resource you should have at your disposal. The sponsor-CRO relationship is an important one, and we can help you maximize the chances it is a successful one. To learn more about the 7th edition of the CRO Quality Benchmarking Report for Phase 2-3 services, just click the link below. And again, don't forget to subscribe to ISR's YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.